Welcome to Jibril Academy, exercise 114. Start. We are much obliged for your letter and estimate for the elastic web. Full stop. But surely there must be some mistake in your figures. Full stop. Please refer to your last letter to us, comma, dated 26th October, comma, in which you gave us a distinctly better price. Full stop. Manifestly, comma, the postponement of the order for a week cannot possibly have made so great a difference in the price. Full stop. We realize that the web is the best finish, comma, as it is most important, it should be, comma, but you must try to improve upon your estimate, comma, or you cannot hope to receive the order. Full stop. You must be estimating, comma, we think, comma, on the assumption that the web is to be silk finished. Full stop. That is not so, comma, as you will see on referring to our last letter. Full stop. If there is to be a resumption of business between us, comma, your estimate will have to be considered. Full stop. All we ask for is a web with the best finish, comma, but not silk, comma, and of a tasteful design. Full stop. What can you offer to tempt us to pass the order to you? Question mark. Stop.